Hey guys, I was just busy uploading CC Edit Lab episode 3 onto the YouTube channel, and I came across this really cool YouTube hack that could save you quite a bit of time every time you upload. So if you would like to check that out, I'm going to show it to you now as I share my screen with you. So what you would need to do is go to studio.youtube.com and go to settings, upload defaults, and there you can just, in the description field, you can put in a description template, include all your affiliate links and any other links that you would usually put in your video descriptions. If you have a standard title that you would usually follow, you can put that in the title field, and then you can put in all your tags that would match the videos and the content that you're uploading. So you can put in all your tags ahead of time. I know tags generally take me quite a bit of time to put in, so this is super helpful. And you can also then go to advanced settings and choose the language of the video, title and description language, and any of the other settings that you would like to put in for all your videos. And then you just click save, and then once that's done, you can go, when you upload a new video, it will auto-populate for you, fill it in already, and then you can save yourself so much time. So yeah, that's the tip. Pretty cool. Save a whole bunch of time. If you reckon this was worth a like, then you know what to do. Thanks guys.